The Java Classic is a good-looking motorcycle, and Java has made it even more appealing by launching a special edition model of the Classic to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the Indian Army's victory in 1971. Once in a while, it's good to be reminded of the rich legacy and valor of the Indian Army. And this time we have Java to thank to. The company recently launched a special edition model of the Classic, which pays homage to Indian Army's victory in the 1971 war. And before we go further, we at Car and Bike wish all of you a very happy 75th Indian Independence Day. So, the Java Khaki. It is the same Java Classic as before, but now gets a beautiful matte khaki shade along with the stick of the insignia of the Indian Army, flanked by a laurel wreath and the Indian tricolour on the fuel tank and blacked out parts, which offer a nice contrast to the khaki brown. Hand painted stripes would have added more premium appeal than a simple sticker though. The seat pan is new too, although the difference in comfort and riding position is almost negligible. In a word, the motorcycle looks very good and period correct too. In case the lovely khaki color is not something that you would like, Java offers the midnight grey color as well, which takes its inspiration from the Battle of Longewala in 1971. The engine too stays the same as before. The 293cc single-cylinder unit pumps out 27 brake horsepower at 6800 rpm and 27.02 Nm of peak torque at 5000 rpm. The engine continues to get the same 6-speed gearbox as before. The Java Classic continues to be a good motorcycle for pottering about in town. The engine offers enough grunt to keep you engaged when riding in city and has the lungs to take you on long highway rides. The mid-range is really strong, and as you twist the throttle, you will like what the motorcycle has to offer, including the deep exhaust note. In-gear acceleration is decent, and the 6-speed gearbox offers smooth shifts too. Cruising at 90 to 100 km/h all day long is not an issue on this modern Classic. If you are patient enough, the bike can reach even higher speeds. But when you are riding the Java Classic, you might as well ride at a relaxing pace and soak in the sights and sounds along the way. The Java Classic isn't a corner carver, but it doesn't shy away from corners either. There's limited clearance by way of the side stand on the left and the long barrel exhaust on the right, but show it a corner and it attacks the same with gusto. With a curb weight of 172 kgs, the bike is a nimble handler and can filter through traffic with ease. But the stiff suspension coupled with the somewhat hard seat may take some time getting used to. In terms of features, the Java Khaki gets dual channel ABS along with a trip meter. The period correct analog instrument console stays the same, with the needle harking back to the 60s Smith speedometer. The fit and finish continue to be excellent. The Java Classic is a minimalist bike. It is a simple, modern classic motorcycle which aims to deliver good, comfortable riding experience with decent performance and usability. At 1,93,000 rupees ex-showroom Delhi, the Classic Khaki is about 6,000 rupees more expensive than the regular model with dual channel ABS. If you want to slice off the legacy of the Indian Army, then the Java Khaki makes sense. If not, the regular Java Classic works just fine. But like we said earlier, the matte khaki brown shade looks irresistible.